The poor villagers crowd by the riverside, the woods and the roots, the crabs and the roots. Vainly they tried to hide the stench of the river, the dark magazine, as with them night and day. Pure fresh air they may have for the movie, but they can't move away. They can only stand by the bank of the river, like birds who sleep in safety. They can only stare at the drifting garbage until they to decay and pass away into ghosts of hope, killed by a burning sun, smoothed with dust, and then forgotten by everyone.